Along the banks of the Mississippi River in Minneapolis, Minnesota, a helicopter pilot is called to the aid of a man whose recreation has turned to danger. John Fish and 4 friends were headed for a picnic when their boat lost power and began drifting towards the upper falls. While 3 of his companions have reached safety, Fish has been caught in the swift current and is now in danger of being swept into the treacherous lower falls. Firefighter Gino Comeric and his partner struggle to haul Fish to safety. Despite the victim's weight and the force of the rushing water, they manage to get him within reach. At this point, Fish has been in the water for nearly half an hour, and he's exhausted and hypothermic. His life is literally in Comeric's hands. Local helicopter pilot Roger Greenan has been alerted to the emergency, but the blades of his helicopter would collide with the falls if he attempts a rescue. As Fish holds on for his life, the rescue workers try another approach. Attempting to maneuver a small boat into range above Fish, the current proves too strong. One of the boats, with a rescue worker still on board, careens over the falls. Now the lives of the 2 sheriff's deputies are also at risk. With the rescuers running out of options, the helicopter is their only hope. Even though Greenan is a Vietnam veteran who has flown several combat missions, this situation is one of the most difficult he's faced. Not only does he have to lower the copter to Fish, but he must also stay clear of the falls. As the blades of the chopper hover just inches above the waterfall, Fish grabs onto the undercarriage and is pulled to safety. Sadly, one of the boaters drowned as he was swept downstream. But John Fish and the others on the boat survived thanks to the quick thinking and fearless actions of pilot Roger Greenan and the other rescue workers. This river proved dangerous even during the stillness of winter. Mike Rennick and his friends were testing a new home video camera near the north